How to use CBD oil for skin cancer. One of our biggest fears in life is hearing the words "you have cancer," and unfortunately, no one is immune to it. The most common type affects the skin. Every fifth person in the United States has skin cancer in some form. On the bright side, it's quite easy to treat with surgical excision if it's caught early enough. But is there a way to avoid skin cancer completely? You can protect your skin from the UV radiation, but this won't necessarily save you from abnormal cell growth. Sometimes, cancer occurs simply because you have a genetic predisposition. Nevertheless, there are solutions to help you reduce the risk of skin cancer and even aid to treat it. We'd like to talk about one of these solutions: CBD oil. How does CBD oil work in our body? Not so long ago, scientists discovered the endocannabinoid system, which is responsible for a multitude of processes running throughout our bodies, from immune to cardiovascular. It's also involved in the biological processes concerning cells and tissues. When the endocannabinoid system works just fine, it will slow down tumor cell growth and spread. The problem is that it doesn't always function as expected. Luckily, this is where CBD oil can play a role to improve its functionality. Cannabidiol, the essential ingredient of CBD oil, has a similar molecular structure to the compounds produced within the endocannabinoid system. When CBD enters the body, it interacts with the endocannabinoid system and helps reset it. As a result of eliminating malfunctions, all the processes affected by this system get back on the rails. CBD oil application in skin cancer treatment. So now it begs the question: how to use CBD oil for skin cancer? First and foremost, due to its impact on the endocannabinoid system, CBD a powerful preventive measure. You can introduce CBD oil supplements to your diet to let them improve general well-being, as well as positively affect specific areas. The type of CBD oil especially effective in this regard is full spectrum. It features a small amount of THC and other natural components of the hemp plant. They mutually enhance each other's potency and create the so-called entourage effect. Although THC is a psychoactive compound, its legal concentration of under 0.3% isn't enough to get you high. However, it will suffice to turn CBD oil into a miracle maker. On top of that, you can make CBD topicals part of your daily skincare routine. Numerous studies have shown that CBD regulates sebum secretion and reduces inflammation. Inflammation occurring in tissues is one more factor that triggers abnormal cell development, so if you take it out of the equation, you're less likely to face skin cancer. And as a bonus, you're able to get smoother, cleaner, and healthier skin. CBD oil is also widely used to alleviate the symptoms of chemotherapy and cancer treatment. Thousands of patients have found CBD remedies effective in relieving pain, as well as reducing nausea and vomiting. Scientific research. CBD oil is a relatively new remedy, and we still have to learn all the facets of its effectiveness. Many research studies about CBD are currently in progress, but at the moment there's not enough data concerning CBD anti-cancer properties. However, studies in mice conducted in 2015 show that CBD in combination with THC actually destroys melanoma cells. Moreover, CBD is promising in the treatment of other types of cancer. For instance, it has been shown to inhibit the growth of breast tissue tumors and the spread of metastasis in mice. Be that as it may, if you're considering taking CBD oil, you should first consult with your healthcare provider. Just like any other remedy, CBD has its side effects, contradictions, and drug interactions. So if you want your experience with CBD to go smoothly, it's best to follow professional advice.